Hi. This video is not intended as an instructional video for a black diamond grinder. It's just meant as a sales information for an intended buyer. The tool holder will hold the collets. A full selection of the different size collets and so forth. In this particular case, I grabbed a number 9 bit. So we want to grab a number 9 holder from there. We also have all the other sizes and so forth. You'll use one of these collets. They'll load up in there. I have to say that we have a Derrick's tool grinder, and this works, the tool holder works a lot better than the Derrick's because it lasts longer. The guts of this one are using like R8 collets compared to the Derrick's, which has a hard metal inside, but a lot of them have a plastic inside, and those plastic inside, once they break, they're done. You select the size of the drill on top. In this case, I'll just go to the smallest one. It's a matter of pushing it in, lining it up, and don't really know how to line it all up and do all that part. That's why we got the manual for you. So you can read the manual and figure out how to do all this part. Once you get it loaded though, it will go into here, twist around. Before I turn it on, this is your misting pump. The mister, we don't have air in our facility, inside of our showroom, to demonstrate the air portion, but it is working. It will start misting. Great. So, turn the light on, and once you get it all turned on, it's a matter of lining it up and start running. Well, I don't have the angle set up correctly, but you get the idea.